We are looking at how to pronounce these names and more confusing names many get wrong, including from Spanish, so stay tuned if you want to learn more correct pronunciations from Spanish. In Spanish, for reference, it's said as Ribera, Ribera, or Rivera. Some say it also as Rivera, but generally Ribera, Ribera. No, sorry, Ribera in Spanish. Now, in English, it's often said as Rivera. Yeah, in Spanish you would have a V sign sounding like a B, but in English the V sounds like a V. Rivera or Ribera. Did you get this? How do you pronounce it? If you know anyone named Ribera or Rivera, let us know, let everybody know in the comments. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching.